National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, southern Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 11:15 a.m. At 10:29 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Boners Lake, or near Lake Geneva, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kenosha, Racine, Mount Pleasant, Pleasant Prairie, Antioch, Sturtevant, Union Grove, Paddock Lake, Camp Lake, Winthrop Harbor, Twin Lakes, Spring Grove, Wheatland, Yorkville, Genoa City, Silver Lake, Richmond, Channel Lake, Lake Catherine, and Powers Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.